Alright, we're here right now sa Abu Dhabi, Al Batin area to be specific. Wala lang, papakita ko lang yung iba't ibang places dito para makita nyo. Pero bibigyan ko yung konting view kung ano yung gagawin natin. So we'll cross the street kasi sasakay tayo ng bus. Very organized yung traffic if you notice. Ang log yung daan. And stoplights are everywhere. So let's check. Right now red pa yung doon, but stay here kasi pupunta tayo doon. We'll ride a bus. Amazing yung bus dito. Notice the roads? Yep, super wide. Parang intersection to business district. Look at those cars. Porsche, diba? And then just wait kasi bawal ang panghas lumipat dito. Kahit na small street lang, talagang may regulation. So let's see. Ito tayo dun sa kabila. Wow, 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 wow. So traffic wise, hintay ko lang mag-go yun. There you go. A few seconds, tapos paparurot yun sa gilid. Should be good. Let's wait tayong turn dito. Hopefully we'll ride a bus number 11. Amazing yung bus dito, wala silang route, but it's more of numbering system. So yung sasakyan natin is number 11 kasi yun yung dadaan dun sa area na pupuntahan natin. So bibigyan ko yung overview kung paano yung bus system nila. So this is a bit of Al Batin area. Hindi ko lang paano di-describe Hindi siya, parang siya yung Makati area. Hindi naman parang basta business district din. Wala ka masyadong makitang naglalakad. Ako lang actually. Ayan, we're good. We're gonna cross the street. And since on the green light, lang. Stig lang, diretso lang. And then we'll wait for a bus. So dito hindi ka scared masagasan, or kung nagda-drive ka todo lang ang gas kasi sure ka na walang basta-basta lilipat. So there, diba? Very simple, disiplinado yung mga tao. So let's see, pag dumating yung bus, yung overview kung paano man yung bus system. Rock. Okay, dito na tayo sa bus stop. And ayun yung bus nando sa intersection. If you notice, number 11, so Al Marina, yan yung route. If I'm not mistaken, every 15 minutes may dumadaan sa mga bus lanes. So kung may schedule ka, at least alam mo yung time na pupuntahan mo. So yun yung sasakyan natin. Sigurado mag-stop yan dito sa bus lane. Tapos siguro mga 30 minutes drive. Pero papakita ko sa inyo yung amenities, yung big difference niya sa bus tsaka public transportation natin sa Philippines. Alright, ito na yung bus number 11, LCD monitor dun sa taas. And we go here. If you notice, may push button para magbukas yung door. Tapos yung pamasahe is around 2 dirhams. Drop it. Yeah, and then choose a seat. Settled na. What's good about the bus? Look, so maluwag. What are the things to see? Yung pamasahe, you just drop it in sa box dun sa harap. Yung una natin pinuntahan kanina. Try to zoom it. And yung fare is pare-pareho lang kahit saan ka pumunta. That's always 2 dirhams. That's around 22 pesos. So kahit saan pwede yun. And meron ding card, yung parang unlimited siya for any bus number na pupuntahan mo. So So yun, ganun yung pagbabayad. And if you notice, dun sa siguro sa mga 34 seats to, bandang harap, may sign dun eh, hindi masyadong makita. Sa harap, specifically for ladies. So nakahiwalay dun yung mga girls. So far ngayon, walang masyadong nakasakay. So okay lang si kuya dun. Dito sa likod, it's guys. Okay. So, one is pagbaba. One is ayaw ko napapansin niyo yung button na to, stop button. Yan, kapag papara ka, huwag ka sisigaw, kasi pag sumigaw ka, akala na emergency, you just press that button and the bus would stop dun sa next bus lane. Now, paano malalaman yung bus lane? Each bus, ayan, may monitor. Right now, Albatin Municipality, Arabic and then English. So yun yung next stop. Notice yung time, and if you would see the next line, yun yung pupuntahan niyang susunod or next stop, Albatin Mall, Albatin Post Office. So imbes na magtanong ka, which you can naman do sa driver, you can just rely on the screen. Alam naman kung saan ka titigil. Ayos, diba? And then dito sa side, let's say nag-stop ka, may ano ba to? Yan yung button to open the door. So press mo lang yan, bubukas na yung pintuan. Ano pa ba? Basic rules when it comes to transport. So bawal mag-yosi, may sabay, and bawal magkalat kasi super aircon. Another thing na napansin ko pala, punta tayo sa taas. Kita ba? Yan. Every bus may CCTV. May isa pa dito eh. Then, yun. And yung monitor na yan, nasa driver. May screen siya na maliit. So, namomonitor niya yung mga passengers. Ayos, diba? So, that's the fastest and most affordable way to go around Abu Dhabi area. So this is one bus stop, bus lane. Ano ba yun? Albatin Mall. Someone might get up. Yun. And yan na, smooth lang. And let's see mamayang pagbaba, may i-add pa ako. Ayos, diba? Alright, pagbaba. We're here. Yeah! Okay. I don't know if you notice, pero yung bus masyadong visible eh. Yan, ito yung bus lane. Actually yung bus nagtitilt pa right, para pag bumaba ka, hindi masyadong mataas. Ayan. So, stick no. Ito yung bus lane. So, every few meters from every main street, dito nagpa-park yung bus, tsaka yung mga taxi. Yung taxi, I'll show you in a different video. So, hindi sila sagabal sa traffic. So, I was informed, yung palang taxis and bus, government mandated. So, hindi sila nagmamadali sa pag-pick up ng pasahero kasi sinusweldohan sila every month. So, super init. It's 11 pero parang 1 o'clock. And uuwi na tayo. And we'll cross the street once more. So, ayan. Yun yung bus. Sana na-appreciate nyo. Bye!